Hello friend, today we are going to learn article number 3, the center difference interpolation formula. In this section, we study the three formulas. First, Gauss formula, second, Stirling formula, and third, Bessel formula. First, we see the Gauss forward formula and backward formula. First, write the table. Table is first write x, y, forward operator del square, del cube, del raised to the power 4, del raised to the power 5, del raised to the power 6. Then value of x is x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1, x0, x1, x2, and x3. And value of y is y minus 3, y minus 2, y minus 1, y0, y1, y2, y3. First difference is del y minus 3 minus y minus 2, that is del y minus 3, and difference between these two is del y minus 2. Difference between these two, del y minus 1. Difference between these two, del y0. Difference between these two, del y2. And difference between these two is del y1, and this is del y2. Then again the difference between these two is del square y minus 3. Difference between these two is del square y minus 2, del square y minus 1, del square y0, and del square y1. Again difference between these two is del cube y minus 3, del cube y minus 2, del cube y minus 1, and del cube y0. Again difference this two is del raised to the power 4 y minus 3, del raised to the power y4 minus 2, and del raised to the power 4 y minus 1. Again difference between these two is del 5 y raised to the power del raised to the power 5 y minus 3, del raised to the power 5 y minus 2, and last difference is del raised to the power 6 y minus 3. The value of backward operator is below. For forward operator, and for backward. This backward operator like this. First is this is both forward as well as backward. Then this, and write this y1 del y1 minus square del q y minus 2, and del raised to the power 5 y minus 3. These are the backward operator, and del y0, del square y1, then this del q y1 minus 1, del raised to the power 4 y minus 2, del raised to the power 5 y minus 2, and then this is the forward operator. And these are two backward as well as forward, and these are the backward as well as forward, and this is also backward as well as forward operator. Then write the Gauss formula. Gauss forward formula, that is y of p is equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus p into p minus 1 del square y minus 1 plus p into p plus 1 p minus 1 3 factorial del q y minus 1 plus p into p plus 1 p minus 1 p minus 2 upon 4 factorial del raised to the power 4 y minus 2 plus p into p plus 1 p minus 1 p minus 2 p minus 3 upon 5 factorial into del raised to the power 5 y minus 2 plus like this. This is the Gauss forward formula. Then write the Gauss backward formula. From above table, we write this formula. Backward formula is y of p is equal to y0 plus p into del y minus 1 plus p into p plus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y minus 1 plus p minus 1 p plus 1 into p upon 3 factorial into del q y minus 2 plus p into p minus 1 p plus 1 p plus 2 upon 4 factorial del raised to the power 4 y minus 2 plus p minus 1 p minus p plus 1 p minus 1 p plus 2 p plus 3 upon 5 factorial into del raised to the power 5 y minus 3 plus like this. This is the Gauss backward formula of this method. Then we see the problem of this method. Then write first problem of this method. First problem, for the following table find the value of e to the power 1.17 using Gauss forward formula. Then write the value of x and e to the power x. X is 1.00, e to the power x is 2.7183, 1.05, 2.8577, 1.10, 3.0042, 1.15, 3.1582, 1.20, 3.3201, 1.25, 3.4903, 1.30, 3.6693. This is the value of x and e to the power x. Then first write the difference table. Solution of this problem. First write the difference table. We write the value of x 0. Here the value of x is given by 7. Therefore that point, middle point is x0. This is the x0. And these are the x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. And this is x1, x2 and x3. Then write the table. Put the value of x, e to the power x, del square, del cube and del raised to the power 4. Here x is 1, then e to the power x is 2.7183, x is 1.05, this is 2.8577, 1.10, and value of this is 3.0042, 1.15. This is the value of x0. This consider x0 and y0 is 3.1582. This is y0. 1.20, 3.3201, 1.25, 3.4903, 1.30, 3.6693. And difference between these two is 0.1394, 0.1465, 0.1540, 0.1619, 0.1702 and 0.1790. Then del square 0.0071, 0.0075, 0.0079, 0.0083 and 0.0088, and difference between these two is 0.0004, 0.0004, 0.0004, and this is 0.0005, and this last difference is 0, and this is 0.00, 0 1, and this is 0 and this is negative, therefore this difference is del phi is negligible. Then here we take the difference between these two number is 0.05, therefore s is equal to 0.05. x0 is middle point, that is 1.15, and here we have to find e to the power 1.17, therefore x is equal to 1.17. Then we find this problem by using the Gauss formula. Therefore the forward formula is used. This is x0, this is y0, then this value is del y0, then this value is del square y minus 1, then this value is del q y minus 1, and again this is the del raised to the power 4 y minus 2, del raised to the power 4 y minus 2. Then write the Gauss formula. First write the Gauss formula. Gauss forward formula, y of p is equal to y0 plus p del y0 plus p into p minus 1 upon 2 factorial del square y minus 1 plus p into p plus 1 p minus 1 upon 3 factorial into del q y minus 1 plus p into p plus 1 p minus 1 p minus 2 upon 4 factorial del raised to the power 4 y minus 2. Putting this value from table, then we get y0 is equal to 3.1582 plus value of p is find by using the formula p is find by using the formula p is equal to x minus x0 upon h. Here x is 1.17 minus 1.15 upon 0.05, and after calculation this value is 0.4, and put this value here 0.4. Del y0 from table is 0.1619 plus 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 upon 2 into 0.0079. This is the value of del square minus 1. Then 0.4 plus 1 into 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 upon 3 factorial means 6, and the value of del q y minus 1 is 0.0004 plus del raised to the power 4 minus y2 is 0 there, but value of these are given, but this value is 0, therefore this term is 0, and therefore this value is 0. Then putting the after calculation 3.1582 2 plus 0.0648 minus 0.00909, and after calculation e to the power 1.17 is equal to 3.2221. This is the answer of given equation, means using Gauss forward formula. If you use the Gauss backward formula, then write this value, and we also find out the value of e to the power minus 17 by using backward formula. Thank you.